Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at investing and thought, man, this seems complicated? Maybe you've even tried a few apps, only to get lost in a maze of fees and confusing jargon. Well, today we're diving deep into Wealthsimple, a popular investing platform that promises to make investing simple and accessible. But here's the burning question, do Wealthsimple have fees? Because let's be honest, nobody likes unexpected costs nibbling away at their hard-earned returns. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's find out if Wealthsimple lives up to its promise of simplicity and affordability. For those unfamiliar, Wealthsimple is an online investment platform that offers a range of services, including automated investing, their signature service, where you answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and investment goals, and Wealthsimple automatically builds and manages a diversified portfolio of ETFs. Tax loss harvesting, a strategy to minimize your tax bill by selling losing investments and replacing them with similar ones. Portfolio management, for high net worth individuals, Wealthsimple offers personalized portfolio management services with dedicated advisors. Savings accounts, high interest savings accounts with competitive rates. But are these services truly fee-free? Let's break it down. Dive into the specifics of Wealthsimple's fees. Now, the good news is that Wealthsimple's automated investing service has a transparent fee structure. Management fee, this is the core fee, typically ranging from 0.40% to 0.70% of your invested assets per year. This fee covers the costs of portfolio management, rebalancing, and ongoing research. Trading fees, generally, there are no trading fees associated with buying and selling ETFs within your portfolio. So, are there any hidden fees? Account inactivity fees, some accounts may incur inactivity fees if there's no trading activity for an extended period. Currency conversion fees, if you're investing in foreign currencies, you might encounter currency conversion fees. What about other Wealthsimple services? Portfolio management, fees for personalized portfolio management vary depending on the level of service and the size of your investment. Tax loss harvesting, this service is generally included as part of the management fee for automated investing. Savings accounts, Wealthsimple's savings accounts offer competitive interest rates, but there may be limitations on withdrawals or transfer amounts. Let's compare Wealthsimple's fees to the competition. Traditional brokerage firms often have higher trading commissions and account maintenance fees. Robo-advisors, many other robo-advisors have similar fee structures to Wealthsimple, but some may have higher management fees or additional fees for certain features. Is Wealthsimple truly affordable? Ultimately, whether Wealthsimple is affordable for you depends on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and the amount you plan to invest. For smaller investors, the relatively low management fees can make Wealthsimple an attractive option. For high net worth individuals, personalized portfolio management services may be more cost-effective with higher investment balances. But it's not just about the fees. Wealthsimple offers a number of valuable features that contribute to its overall value proposition. User-friendly interface, the platform is incredibly easy to navigate, making it accessible to both novice and experienced investors. Automated investing takes the guesswork out of investing, allowing you to set it and forget it. Fractional shares allows you to invest in even the most expensive stocks with just a small amount of money. Strong customer support provides excellent customer support through various channels. However, there are some limitations. Limited investment options. Compared to traditional brokerages, Wealthsimple offers a more limited selection of investment options. No access to individual stocks. If you're looking to invest in individual stocks, you'll need to look elsewhere. Limited control over portfolio allocation. While you can adjust your risk tolerance, you have limited control over the specific assets in your portfolio. So, to answer the initial question, yes, Wealthsimple does have fees, primarily in the form of management fees. However, these fees are generally competitive within the industry, and the platform offers a number of valuable features that make it a compelling option for many investors. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Wealthsimple is right for you is to carefully consider your individual needs and financial goals. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. 1. SaturnCloud.io. SaturnCloud.io. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.